Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1368 Fairmeadows. He's had this keep backing up the last few months, keeps backing up on him. And I got my cable out here, my camera out here now. From the basement stack, we're here about 48 feet, almost 50 feet. You see there's big ball roots here. It's not letting me pass that. I located that in the front yard. It's the 6-inch clay pipe. We're going to go ahead and auger it out and see if we can't cut some of these roots out. As you see, we got more roots here. Another big ball roots there. Some more roots growing in on the sides there. And here we are. I believe this is a transition. See, it's full of roots. This is where it comes with 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay, I believe. Alright, so here we are at the bottom of the stack. We'll go ahead and auger this out. Be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and augered this line out. I was able to get a 3-inch cutter through the 4-inch stack down here. We ran out 80 feet out to the main out here. See, we're here at the main. I still got my cable in there with a 3-inch cutter on there, so you're going to see that in there. We're going to go ahead and pull back. So here we are, MSD's line. See, there's a bunch of roots here at the top. A little bit of roots there we cut up. Some roots to the side there. Go ahead and locate and mark this. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located this in the street. 9 feet deep. A little over 9 feet. Pull it back. So it looks like another ball roots here. Some roots I cut up. Into my cable there. More roots cut back there. Go ahead and locate this. I'll be right back. Yep, I went ahead and located and marked that. Right there in the front yard near the curb. It's almost 8.5, 9 feet deep. Another big ball roots here. Another section there. Another big ball roots. We're going to locate this. Be right back. Alright, yep, this is 9 feet deep out in the front yard. And another big ball of roots. A very big ball of roots there. transition. Now this is a transition. This is where it comes from. Sorry, it's hard to see. It's a 4-inch cast and 6-inch plate pipe out here. Clean my camera up. Alright, so this is a transition right here. It goes 4-inch gas and 6-inch quick pipe right here. It's full of roots. We had to locate and mark this. Right back. Yeah, I went ahead and located that transition right in front of the house. 9 feet deep. Here we are at stack, so I'm gonna recommend clean out and install in the yard so that way they can run a big cutter to cut them roots back as they need to be cut. Because from down here in the basement we're only able to run a 4-inch cutter. I guess I'm gonna recommend a section of the line to be repaired out there, and a big cutter ran and the line augured out and cleaned out, and other than that you should be good. Alright, thank you.